What are pros and cons of travertine flooring? Dear friend, travertine is a stunning natural stone that has been used in construction since the time of the ancient Romans. While always popular, travertine flooring in particular is enjoying a resurgence nowadays across a variety of different applications. If you're considering using travertine stone for your flooring, it's worth familiarizing yourself with the pros and cons of travertine tiles. The pros of travertine flooring. Strength. Travertine, like other naturally occurring stones, is very hardy. Difficult to chip or break, travertine floor tiles can stand up well to the inevitable foot traffic your home's floors are bound to sustain. Durability. With some simple and affordable maintenance, you can keep your travertine flooring looking as beautiful as the day it was laid for many years into the future. Suitable for the elements, travertine makes for a strong choice of flooring outdoors as it's quite hardy against a variety of environmental elements including rain, heat, sun and moisture. Timeless. It's not just the quality of stone that will last with travertine flooring. The neutral, earthy aesthetic means the style won't date regardless of whether you incorporate it in a modern or traditional design. Beauty. Just because travertine flooring is suitable for a variety of applications in home decor, doesn't mean it's not eye-poppingly stunning. This stone, with its rich shades and coloring, is absolutely beautiful and will bring any space to life. Easy to repair, replace, while hardy, no stone is completely indestructible. Fortunately, travertine isn't difficult to source or overly expensive to replace. If you need to repair some damage or replace a slab or tile, you won't find it too difficult to do. Non-slip. When it comes to travertine flooring, its natural non-slip surface makes it excellent for use anywhere in or around the home. Kitchen floors, bathroom tiles or pool coping and surrounds, travertine works a treat for them all. Environmentally friendly. Compared to other materials commonly used for home flooring, travertine offers a surprisingly green alternative. Affordable, natural stone, travertine included, is not the cheapest building material to use. Nonetheless, as far as rich stone goes, travertine floor tiling is quite affordable. Home value. When it comes to selling your home, or simply adding value to it in the marketplace, travertine flooring can do wonders. Not only will it make a distinct impression on future buyers, it can also add tangible dollar value to your house. The cons of travertine. Resealing. Travertine is a relatively porous material as far as natural stone goes. That doesn't mean that it's unsuitable for us as flooring in your home, even in areas prone to exposure to water like bathrooms and kitchens. But you will need to ensure your travertine floors are properly sealed by professionals. Every few years, it's important to get them resealed as well to ensure that moisture doesn't get caught in the tiles and cause long-term damage. Damage from cold. This beautiful stone can be damaged in icy conditions if not properly sealed. When water or moisture gets caught in the stone and then freezes and expands, it could cause cracks and breakages. Sensitive to chemicals. Using acidic cleaning chemicals can cause damage and staining to your gorgeous travertine flooring. We'd also highly recommend you avoid abrasive sponges or other wiping implements as travertine can be scratched or damaged when you use overly rough cleaning tools. Expense. Travertine flooring is by no means expensive compared to other alternatives out there, but if the cost is your one and only criteria, no natural stone is going to top the list for cheap options. Holes. The fibrous and textured surface of travertine does come with a relative cost. The holes can catch dirt and make the stone susceptible to signs of general wear and tear, especially in a floor. However, remember that with regular, professional resealing you can minimize potential damage to negligible amounts. High traffic areas. Travertine is a very hard and durable stone, but it is not the strongest in its category. While it will more than measure up to use for flooring, some people do advise avoiding travertine in areas of extremely high traffic such as entrance halls. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.